Hey guys, welcome to my Minecraft channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for a 10,000 diamond block giveaway. Hope you enjoy.
Excellent. Alright, thank you, Gavin, for that little introduction. It's not really a Minecraft channel.
Or is it?
Okay, so we're going to try to get through this. This is somewhat of a new word for us, commission. But we know that anything that we're doing here is going to be percentages, right? Yes, percentages. So if you know that somebody's going to get paid 5%, we could just completely leave this word out.
Yes, sir.
Going to get paid 5% of what? Of $500,000. So who thinks they can find 5% of $500,000? Not a good thing. So 5% and 500,000. Who thinks they can find? Hey, do you have a code name, young lady?
No.
Princess.
Okay, we're gonna call her Minecraft number 1.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
How do we find 5% of $500,000?
Okay, so I did 500,000 times 5%.
Okay, but we don't have. I'm gonna pretend we don't have that percent button because I want you to know how to do it. How do we multiply it times 0.05? Awesome. Oh, wrong button. Ha!
Numpad? Nothing.
Hey, I undid and it worked. Okay, so the answer is $25,000. I actually want to. I would like to test out that percent button on this calculator
Wait, is it 0.5?
just for funsies. Yeah. Let me see. So let's see. If I go 500,000 times 5 and then push the percent button. Hey, it worked. But I want you guys to know how to do it without the percent button. Yes.
So what is 25,000?
Yes. Now, we don't add it for the commission. We don't add it to the original because they're not going to pay the person $500,000 and $25,000. Like for selling a house, they only pay them a percentage of what that house was worth. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Because houses normally cost $500,000, but they're not going to pay a real estate person $500,000. That's just silly. Okay.
All right, cowboy.
Number 2. Last year, Mark bought a surfboard. Now there's a typo here. I didn't type this out, so it's a mistake. Sorry. And then his surfboard. This should say surfboard, but his surfboard has decreased. It's now worth 300. Okay, what was the percent? So we have 350. Ooh, who said that?
What?
Wasn't that you, Skylar? Okay. Did you say 50? Good. So at least you said 50. So we're going to subtract to find out how much the dollar amount was. And he's right, 50 bucks. Now we have to find out how much that is as a what? You guys are good. Okay, so how much percent is 50 out of 350, the original? Well, we can find that out using a calculator. Anybody know how? Yeah, do you have a code name person? Who was that?
Steve.
Okay, what's your code name?
Steve.
Is he Steve Crafter?
Oh my God.
I know, the guy that's on Minecraft. Okay, 50, and what do we do? You are correct, Steve. Okay, now, some people said it's going to be 7, but it would be 1 over 7, which is that same answer. 1/7 becomes that. Watch. 1 divided by 7, same answer. Okay? So, yes. Okay. So, equals 0.14, which is what percent? 14%. Caitlin deposits 675. So we got our first number here. Good for Caitlin. Into a savings account. And we already did simple interest. That was our homework yesterday. At a rate of 3% and 5 years. Okay. Who thinks they can do this one? Do you have a code name, sir? Okay, he's Minecraft number 2. Okay, Minecraft number 2. Help us out.
Percent. So 675 times 0.05.
675 times 0.03. Correct. Awesome. Ooh, that was weird. Times 0.03.
Oh my god.
675 times 0.03. 20.25. Okay, so it was exactly $20.25. Now, is that our final answer? No. Why?
Wait, isn't it?
That's only for 1 year, Mr. Minecraft 2. What do we do?
Oh, times by 5.
Times 5. So that's going to be, I don't feel like doing the mental math, even if I could. Times 5.
101.25.
Exactly.
I can't still tell me.
Okay?
Wait.
Yes, sir.
How did you get 101.25?
Multiply times 5 because there's 5 years.
Oh.
Okay? Alright. So who thinks they can answer which things she can buy? Which dollars amount she has? Okay, do you have a code name, young lady?
Alex.
Sky. Okay, which items below will she be able to buy? Say it again. $30 one. And what? Okay, so $30 she can afford. What else? 43 and 75. Excellent. So these three she cannot. Right? So we would scratch them out. Or whatever. Excellent job, young lady. Are we giving points to these people?
Wait, what?
I sure hope so. What?
That one went off.
Okay, so instead of subtracting, because it's not a discount, it's sales tax, so we've got to find 0.05 of $70. Oopsie daisies. So 0.05 times 70 bucks. $3.50. And then we add that to 70 bucks, right? You could multiply to 1.05 if you wanted, yes. Okay, a sweater is on sale for 35% off, but that one we can subtract. 100 minus 35, what do we get? 65. We're going to do 0.65 times 25. $16.25.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Is that cheaper than 25 bucks?
Yes, there it is.
Sure is.
Wait, how'd you get 40?
You want to leave a $20 tip. 20% tip, excuse me. 20% tip. All right, so help us out, Mr. Jonathan.
Yeah. Yes.
Sorry. 0.20 times 75. $15. Are we done? No, because that's the tip. I'm going to add that to 75 up. What do we get? 90. Okay, write it down, please. Yep, exactly 90. Yep. Oh, it's asking for just a tip. Whoopsie daisy.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's such a hard life.
It's a hard life for us.
It really is.
Okay?
You're offbeat.
You make money for a field trip. Okay, so 75% is your markup, but you bought them only for 25 centavos. Okay, so how do we find 75% of that? Anyone else? How do we find 75% of that? Come on, you guys all know how to do this. Multiply how?
25 cents by 75.
Yeah, but you're going to go 0.25 times what?
75%.
0.75. Right. Alright, 0.25 times 0.75. We didn't do that one yet. See, that's the problem. I can't see back here, but I have to keep an eye on certain people, apparently. 0.25 times 0.75 equals... Dun, 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 dun. But you have to round up. 0.1 instead of 0.18, we put 0.19. So 19 cents, okay? So it's going to be 19 cents. And we're going to add that because we're selling it for more money. Plus 19 cents. Oh, that didn't work. I'm trying to write on the side. Okay. Plus 0.19. And we get 0.44 cents. So that's how much we sell them for with a 75% markup. Okay, so this next one is, you guys can look on the other YouTube for that. It's on the period F YouTube. But it seems